بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے۔
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق۔
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا۔
خلق الانسان من علق۔
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی۔
اقرأ وربک الاکرم۔
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے۔
الذی علم بالقلم۔
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا۔
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم۔
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا۔
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent, most merciful. This is class 3 and the period is English language text and this is week number 3 and video is also 3. As we have completed our unit number 2 volcanoes in our previous video, today I will teach you unit number 3 clever poly. Now come towards of your solution. We have completed unit number 2 but there is a class setting I have taught you last time. It is related to the week number 3 and I have taught you before. Today we will do the work from the Tuesday. Now come towards a board. Clever poly. Yes, what is the meaning of clever? C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. What is the meaning of clever? You can take the second meaning of clever as smart and foxy. Why I called her foxy? I will tell you later, but first pay your attention here. Polly, P-O-L-L-Y, Polly. Polly is the name of a person. She is a main character in this story. There are two characters in this story. First is a Polly and second is a wolf. Now I will tell you how was Polly was clever. One day Polly was cooking in the kitchen. Suddenly the doorbell rang. She opened the door. There was a big, great black wolf. He said, "I am going to eat you." Said Polly, "Oh no, I want you to eat me." He said, "Oh yes, I will eat you. But first tell me, what is that delicious smell?" She said, "Come to the kitchen, come to with me and see yourself." She took him to the kitchen. There was a delicious looking pie on the table. Polly invited him. "Have a slice?" He said, "Sure." He take a big slice, then another and then another. After that, Polly asked to him, "Now will you eat me?" So he said, "No, I am full of pie. I will come back, then I will eat you." Second time, Polly was baking in the kitchen. Suddenly the doorbell rang. She opened the door. There was a wolf again. He said, "Now I am going to eat you." She said, "Okay, but first have a smell." He asked, "What is it?" She said, "I made chocolate cake." She said, "Have a slice." He ate big 6 slices. After that, Polly asked to him, "Will you eat me?" He said, "No, I am full of chocolate cake. I will come back, then I will eat you." Third time, while Polly was cooking in the kitchen, a week later, suddenly doorbell rang and she opened the door. There was a wolf again. He said, "Now you can't escape. I am going to eat you." She said, "Okay, all right, but first have a smell." He asked, "What is it?" She said, "I am cooking toffee." He went to the kitchen with the Polly and he took a spoon out of the saucepan and put his in the mouth It was so hot. It burned his tongue and it was so sticky. So it stuck his mouth. He howled and ran out of the door and never come back. So, will you have you idea that was she clever or not? Yes, she was clever because she fed wolf by playing tricks. Okay, I hope you got your unit. Now come towards of your unit book. Take out page number 24. I am repeating again. Take out page number 24. I am reading and read with me. One day, while Polly was cooking, the doorbell rang. Polly opened the door. There was a great black wolf. He put his foot inside the door and said, "I am going to eat you." "Oh no," said Polly, "I don't want you to eat me." "Oh yes," said the wolf, "I am going to eat you. But first, tell me what that delicious smell." "Come to the kitchen," said the Polly, "and I will show you." She took the wolf to the kitchen. There on the table was a delicious looking pie. "Have a slice," said Polly. The wolf was hungry and said, "Yes, please." Polly cut a big piece for him. When he had eaten, the wolf asked for another slice and then another. "Now," said Polly, after the third helping, "are you going to eat me?" "Sorry, I am full of pie," said the wolf. "I will come back another day to eat you." A week later, Polly was in her house again, and again the doorbell rang. Polly opened the door. There was the wolf again. "This time I am going to eat you." Polly, said the wolf. "All right," said Polly, "but first, can you smell this?" The wolf put his nose inside the door. "Delicious," he said. "What is it?" "Come and see," said Polly. In the kitchen was a large chocolate cake. "Have a slice?" said Polly. "Yes, please," said the wolf greedily. He ate 6 big slices. "Now are you going to eat me?" asked Polly. "Sorry," said the wolf. "I am too full of cake. I'll come back." He slunk out of the back door. A week later, the doorbell rang again. Polly opened the door and there was the wolf. "This time you can't escape," he snarled. "I am going to eat you." "Smell in here first," said Polly. "Marvelous," said the wolf. "What is it?" "Toffee," said Polly. "But aren't you going to eat me?" "Couldn't I have a teeny bite of a toffee first?" asked the wolf. "It's my favorite food." "Come to the kitchen," said Polly. In the kitchen, the toffee was cooking on the stove. "I must have a taste," said the wolf. "It's hot," said Polly. But the wolf took the spoon out of the saucepan and put in his mouth. Oh, how! Ow! It was so hot that it burned his tongue. It was so sticky that it stuck to his mouth. The wolf howled, then he ran out of the house and never come back. Now come towards our board. There are difficult words meaning for you. Now start read with me. Favorite, dearest. Favorite, dearest. Come towards of number 2. Great, excellent. Great, excellent. Delicious, yummy. Delicious, yummy. Show, display. Show, display. Escape, get free. Escape, get free. Now I have to tell you one thing. Come towards of your words meaning. Page number 10. You can see here words number 5, escape. The meaning of escape, get away. It's wrong. Not get away, get free. Where is I write? Yes, get free. You will correct right now. This is a right meaning, not a get away. This is a wrong. You will write get free instead of get away. And number 6, it has been cancelled. So cut it right now. It has been cancelled. Now take out page number 26. Here is a comprehension 1. Take out page number 26. Here is a comprehension 1. You have to tell who said it. There are sentences. You have to tell that who is speaking in the sentence. Now I am reading. You have read your unit. You know very well that which one sentence who is speaking. I am going to eat you now. Who is speaking in this sentence? Obviously, wolf. Wolf is speaking in this sentence. Have a slice. Who is speaking in this sentence? Polly. Polly is speaking in this sentence. Now are you going to eat me? Who is speaking in this sentence? Wolf. Wolf is speaking in this sentence. Number 4, I am too full of pie. Who is speaking in this sentence? Wolf is speaking. Delicious. Who said delicious? Wolf said. I'll come back. Who said? Wolf said I will come back. What is it? Who is speaking in this sentence? Wolf is speaking in this sentence. Yes, it's hot. Who is speaking? It's hot. Polly. Polly is speaking in this sentence. Okay class, I have completed week number 3 in today's video. Now come towards of your diary. Number 1. Read unit number 3 and number 2. Memorize words meaning. Yes class, you will do your work according to your solution which is given to you. Okay, I hope you have got everything. If God's willing, we will meet again. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.